Conduct its fourth artist camp, which has been named appropriately as Indradhanush, in which we have invited top artists, painters, sculptors, as well as printmakers and many others to this camp, who would come here from 16th to 21st, sit in our campus and not only paint over here or do some other work that they are specialized in, but they would also interact with the general public over there, and they would be sharing their experiences that they have when they roam around within the country as well as abroad. And this, though it is a state level artist camp that we have conducted this year, but we do hope that we will continue. We'll probably next time bring national level artists in these kind of camps. What we want to do is that not only should we want them to come and give them a platform for coming out and bringing out their wonderful ideas on the canvas, or if they want to make some kind of a sculpture, we want them to do it. If they want to do anything other than that, we want them to do it. And after it is done, what we are going to do is we are going to use them in our branches, in our offices, for the general public to have a look at it and to let them know that State Bank of India does so many other things other than banking also.